This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PLS Donate in Roblox Mobile Android. First, you'll need to download the Roblox app from the Google Play Store, which is completely free. Once installed, either log into your existing Roblox account or create a new one if you're new to the platform. After logging in, use the search bar to find PLS Donate and simply tap to join the game. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for the best experience, as this game relies on real-time interaction. Once you've entered the PLS Donate game, your next step is to find and claim a donation stand. Simply walk around the vibrant game map until you spot an empty stand. When you find one, approach it and hold down the claim button that appears on your screen. Your stand will then be yours, ready for customization. Try to pick a spot where many players pass by, as this significantly increases your chances of being noticed and receiving donations. To receive donations, you need to create items for players to buy. This is done outside the Roblox app using a web browser. Go to the official Roblox website and log in, then navigate to the Create section. Here, you can choose to make game passes or t-shirts, upload a simple image, give your item a clear name, and set a price in Robux. These items will then automatically populate your donations stand in the game, ready for purchase. With your stand set up and items ready, it's time to engage. Interact with other players, chat, and politely ask for donations. A friendly and creative stand message can also attract more attention. Remember, consistency and positive interaction are key. While you'll earn Robux from sales, be aware that Roblox takes a small percentage, usually 30%, as a platform fee. Keep your stand active and enjoy the process of earning virtual currency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.